I should have tightened that. I'm missing a screw here, and that's annoying.
You can't take out the other one?
No, I took it out. I emptied the car when I thought I was going to sell it, and then I never put anything back. I thought that was a squirrel there, but it was a weed in the ground. I don't know about you, but if I were a passenger right now, I'd be pretty scared.
Not at all.
Ah, not bad. Heartbreaking. I hate this section right here. Oh, it's just a lot of braking. That's the wall that I hit on a drift trike right there. I heard that, hitting the mirror. Oh, I couldn't even hold my hands in this position. I had to throw them around. All that overgrown is coming for you. Hard brake. Yeah, this is where you really test your brakes, is on this road. I've gotten Seawell's pad smoking on this in his Mustang. Oh God. Yeah. My brakes still feel fine, surprisingly, with the current fluid level. Like, the level's fine, I guess. It's just old fluid.
Yeah.
I hate this part. If you have a stock car, it's fine, but if you're lowered, it sucks. Yeah, I get close to the right side. There's one bump here that Seawell hit at full speed and it made his frame scrape and it sparked on the ground.
I think I remember that.
It's like right here. Yeah, it was that. That's what it was. And there's the homeless encampment.
Yeah. Relatively new.
Yeah, you can smell my pads right now.
Yeah.
Woo, that's a strong smell.